So what is a minor pentatonic? A type of scale that is made up of 5 notes. 5. 5. 5. Having fun with minor pentatonics. Check it out. Hey everybody, Chris G here from PositivelyProgressing.com. Thank you for tuning in. Please click on the subscribe button below if you haven't already. Thank you for your support and your continued watching habits. So today we're going to be talking about minor pentatonics. I'm going to show you the little line I was playing at the beginning there and give you a bunch of different ways you can practice it. Not only is this going to help with your improvisation, but it's going to help with your technique, and it's a fun way to practice. So if you get in a practice rut and you want something fun to do, work on this and try it all different ways, and you're going to have fun and you're going to enjoy your practice session, and then maybe you'll get motivated to do more practicing. How about that? All right, minor pentatonic. What is a pentatonic scale? A pentatonic scale is a scale made up of 5 notes. Penta meaning 5. So a minor pentatonic and a major pentatonic are similar scales. I'm going to put up a graphic. I'll put up a graphic right here to show you the difference and how they're constructed, but they're essentially the same scale, just starting on a different note. A bug or something flew by me. Anyways, so we're going to be talking about minor pentatonics. A minor pentatonic is the 1, flat 3, 4, 5, and flat 7. And that line I played at the beginning is made up of only those 5 notes. No chromaticism, no nothing. Ba ba da do da 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 da. So be sure you can sing this. That's 1, flat 3, 5, 4, flat 7, 5, flat 3, 1. And it sounds like this. That just happened to be F sharp concert. What can we do with this? Well, we can play it all different types of ways. You can learn it in all 12 keys, which I suggest you doing. But not only learning it in all 12 keys, learn it and play it in different ways. I think in the beginning there, I played it in half steps ascending. You can play it in half steps descending. I played it in minor thirds, I think. I played it in minor thirds. I played it in triplets, going up by whole steps. That was a pretty cool way. Try that one. You're playing this line in whole steps, and I started on E flat concert, and you're playing this line in triplets, which gets a whole nother feel in there. So try that out. You can also play it in fourths. You can play it in major thirds. You can play it in, what else can you play it in? Major thirds, ascending and descending. Play it in fourths. You could play it in any way you want, really. Just have fun with it. But it's a great way to get this minor pentatonic or this pentatonic sound in your ear, and it's also a really fun way to practice, especially if you need to work on technical stuff. It's great for technical stuff, and it's going to carry over into your improvisation. So you're kind of, hitting a bunch of, what's the saying? You're kind of knocking a bunch of things out all at once. I don't know what the saying is. We don't want to kill anything. 2 birds with 1 stone, but whatever. There's probably another saying out there where you're doing multiple things all at once, which is great. You're multitasking in a way, but you're practicing and you're having fun. So who could ask for more, right? I'll have a PDF that you can download below from the website. I'll also have on the PDF, we'll show the difference between the major and minor pentatonic scale construction. How can you use them? Well, anytime you see a minor chord, you can use a minor pentatonic scale. So if you have a modal tune like So What, you can play a minor pentatonic over those, or Little Sunflower. Those are cool modal tunes that you can play minor pentatonics over. You could also play major pentatonics over them, just depending on how you're thinking or how you're hearing the chord. Any 2 that you see, or a minor 6 chord that you see, you can fit minor pentatonic ideas in there. But I highly suggest you not just memorizing this line and then just trying to play it as fast as you can. Try to hear the line and try to see where it takes you, so it's becoming an organic part of your playing, not just like another lick you've memorized. This isn't meant to be a lick, for instance. This is just meant to be a really cool sound that you can use and a really cool shape you can use, in different ways in your playing. Enjoy. I hope you got something out of this. I appreciate you tuning in. As always positive, always progressing. Until next time, I will see you soon. Take care. Bye.